Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Open your Google Sheet app on your phone, then choose the file that you want to find, a word or number, and I'll just go with this file. Click on the file to open it, and if you want to find a word or number, you have to click on this three dots button on the top right corner of your screen, then choose find and replace. Then type a number or word that you want to find, and I'll go with word. I'm gonna find this word, and alright, just type it and you will find the word you want, and it's right here. This is the word that I want to find. And this feature will help us when we have a lot of data and we are struggling to find a word or number. Okay guys, that's how we can find in Google Sheets. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.